Good morning, traders. TG Watkins here. It's September 7th when I'm recording this, and boy, we got some news out here, don't we? So if you guys are paying attention to the market right now, you definitely see that Apple is down, and usually that's a pretty big surprise, especially a big company moving that much like this. You're like, what is going on? And the news, apparently, is that the Chinese government is looking to ban iPhones for government use. Sounds a lot like what America was doing over the last few years, trying to ban some chips that China was producing. So, tit for tat, I guess. I guess it kind of makes sense. Anyway, the other thing is that before the news came out, the charts were actually telling us to be very careful. And what I want to show you is over here in the Moxie room itself. And I could come over here, and if you look, we were talking about this yesterday morning, before the market opened. I was kind of out here, and I was talking about this, and I said Apple and the NASDAQ look like they need to pull back. And I said, let me show you an example for Apple. And so what I do, and these are the alerts that I send out. You're looking at the exact alerts that I send out to the subscribers. So if you guys have been wondering what it looks like inside of the Moxie trading room and the work that I do for you guys, this is it. And basically, I related TPX and Apple to each other. Not that TPX has anything to do with Apple and vice versa, just that I saw similar formations and patterns. And this is what we do as technical analysis traders, is we look for patterns and things that we can actually work with over and over and over and say, hey, I've seen that before, and this is typically what it does. And so I was able to spot that on TPX and show an example, and I said, I think Apple is going to do basically the same thing. And I explain it through the rest of this paragraph. But basically, let me show you over here. What I was noticing was that Apple, let me go back to my yellow cursor, Apple was very overbought. And I could see it on the daily chart, I could see it on the hourly chart, and I could see exactly when that was going to start here on the 15-minute chart. And I posted this a few minutes before the market opened, and sure enough, right as soon as the market opened, Apple got crunched and came down, 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 and didn't stop all day long. And then now that the news is out, boom, there is Apple down here at the lows. So pretty tough to be part of this. Hopefully, people got stopped out maybe yesterday. Otherwise, you're getting knocked around today. Not much to say about this. There's news involved, and when there's news like this, I tend to usually just step aside and let the dust settle. So unless you want to be trading down here on the 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minutes, something like that, there's not much to do here. But what I really want to do is kind of include you guys into the Moxie trading room and show you. I was actually able to call this just before it happened and before the news came out. And so that reiterates to me that a lot of times, most of the time, you can tell what's going on in the market through just the charts before the news actually happens. The charts are everything. All right, guys. So again, if you haven't met me or anything else like that, come over to profitpilot.com. You can check out more information there. And you can come over to our Twitter, or you can come over to simplertrading.com. You can get a $7 trial for 30 days at the Moxie Indicator Mastery, which is the Moxie Trader Room, and you can learn all the things that I put in there, and it would be great to see you guys. Thanks again, and we'll see you at the next one.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.